regulate stress responses. We need to stabilize insulin processes, which are not being managed by the metformin. It's helping to manage the response, the marker, the sugars.
Okay, intervention. That was really fast.
Yeah.
Intervention-based
Well,
nutrients, and
yeah,
then stabilize stress.
Right, the nutrient intervention will be targeted toward strengthening adrenals, regulating stressors, correcting for insulin processes.
Strengthening adrenal.
Okay, so I have an adrenal supplement that I was taking, and I haven't lately, but potassium, salt, and whole food vitamin C at 10 and 2. And that seemed to help with my energy
Right.
when I was doing that.
I don't know what that product is, and I would have to test it.
It's not a product. I take coconut milk for the potassium, or coconut water for the potassium. I put in whole food salt, sea salt, a quarter teaspoon of sea salt per 8 ounces. And if you're going to use orange juice, that's your whole food vitamin C, but I take a whole food vitamin C camu powder.
Orange juice is not C. Orange juice is sugar.
Okay.
Sugars and C compete for transport on the red blood cell membrane.
So camu powder is
Anything with
whole food vitamin C. It says on whole food vitamin C it's not ascorbic acid or citric acid or anything.
I don't care where ascorbic acid, as long as it's not made from corn. You want a non-corn source vitamin C.
Okay.
And you missed one thing. The third thing was reduce the impact of insulin?
Controlling for insulin. Right.
Controlling for insulin.
We need to control insulin, not just blood sugars. Right. That's all I'm getting at there.
Right.
There are basics in this mix. Yes, you need magnesium, you need vitamin C in general. Adrenals, the number one demand for adrenals from minerals is magnesium. The number one demand for adrenals from vitamins is vitamin C. They also need pantothenic acid, which is B5. They also need zinc. There's a lot of other pieces. You need selenium to help convert that T4 to T3. There's a lot of basic pieces in here as well.
Okay.
That are part of that process. But just the targets, that's where I was going here about adrenal issues. Secondary hypothyroid is a target, correcting for how the body uses thyroid hormone. And a part of that's just correcting these other pieces. So hormonally, this would be it will be very useful if you have a physician to work with you on that, to use a low-dose estradiol or bioestrogen along with some progesterone and rebalance that process to get things working together again.
So
Progesterone is critical.
Can you say that again?
Yeah.
Rebalance the...
This is, we talked about the balances here between this, and so